Hi everyone, my name is Julie Stiegemeyer and I work with the Writing Studio and the School of Education graduate programs at Concordia University Irvine. Today I'm going to share with you some practical suggestions for how to set up a paper in APA format. So what I have here is a document that is unformatted at this point. I mean, there's a little formatting. But I've got, it's just short as a sample. But I've got two sections and then I've got some references. So I'm going to just walk you through the process of how I would set this up in APA format. Well, first of all, you can see there's no title page. So I've opened up this document, which is free from the APA style website. And I'm just going to paste the title page information in here. And I'll come back to the formatting. Just as a quick note, you can hit Command Enter or Control Enter, and that will give you a hard page break, and so you don't have to space down. That way you'll always have that in the correct place. So I'm going to go back up here. You can see this is looking pretty good so far, but first of all I want to add a page number in the top right. That's fine. And then I'm going to space down about three or four, and then let me just make the whole paper by hitting Control A. I can make the whole paper in one font. So I highlighted everything. Let's use Times New Roman, and I'm going to make it 12. And then I'm going to go here and make it double spaced. Okay, so now everything's set up correctly on my first page. Of course, I've changed my name and anything else, but that's what we've got so far. So already we can see that there were two fonts shown on this page, but now we are to one font, and then we'll just get rid of these extra lines here. So in terms of the spacing, notice here that this is right and left justified. So normally with APA you would want only left justification. So I'm going to highlight everything and then use the left justification button up there in the toolbar so that I have a smooth, straight left margin, but the right margin is ragged. That is what APA uses. And the next thing I'm going to change, just looking kind of overall, even though this is not the title of this sample, I'm going to copy this title and put it down here at the top of page 2, because even when you use a sample page, you still have to add the title at the top of page 2. Then I wanted to talk a little bit about headings. So when you have major sections like these, what you do is you would center, bold, and use title case for each of your main sections. So this is only one paragraph, so it's probably not needed to have all these headings. But if this section were to go on and have several paragraphs with multiple level 2 headings, then that would make sense. So this is a level 1 heading, bolded, centered, and title case. This is a level 2 heading. So what this indicates right away to the reader is that here's our big section, and now this is a breakdown of that section. So I'm going to do the same thing down here. And then I'm not going to look at the text right now, but it looks like there are some good citations. So now let's go to the next page, which is our references. And you can see here we've got some good information, but some is missing. So first of all, I'm going to put references in bold at the top. This one looks good. It has the author, with the last name and initial, the year, the title of the book with correct punctuation there, sentence case, or correct capitalization, and then the publisher. Since Levi comes before Zaz, I'm going to put it here. And then we need some work on this next one. So first of all, I think we need to maybe make it left justified. So then we have, here's the name. We're going to put a comma here. Then put the year here. This looks good. That's the title. So notice it is in sentence case where only the first word of the title is capitalized. And then you would italicize the name of the journal. And then we've already got the date, so we're taking this out. So 338 likely refers to the volume number, which is also italicized. So I'm going to italicize the journal name and the volume number. This is the page range, which is correct. Or, no, it looks like it's the issue number. I pulled up the site so that we could see the source, just in case I had questions, and now I do. So here's volume 338, issue 8782 to 8783. So that's kind of an odd way. Usually an issue number is like 4. And then this is the page range. So let's go back here and figure this out. So this is correct actually as it is. We would just put a comma here and then add that. And then for a DOI number, you can see on this that we have the whole HTTPS. So this is the whole URL we need to get to that. So I'm going to go here and just drop it in. And I'm going to go here and say I just want it in the same formatting. I'll put a space after that to make it automatically hyperlink. Then the last step is to go here to line spacing, and I'm going to first of all remove that, and then go to line spacing options. This is where you want your left, right, before and after. That should all be 0. Hanging should be, special should be hanging, and double spacing is good. So now it is in APA format. We have the correct authors listed with their initials, the years, the book title here, the publisher, the article name, the journal name, volume number, issue number, page range, and DOI. So now everything is in good shape. Now this is formatted and ready to be turned in. So I hope that was helpful. Just wanted to walk through that with you. And I hope to see you with another quick writing tip in the future. Bye-bye.